Hey, good morning, guys. It's me, Jaime. Let's see. Let's get some. Well, yeah, that's what it is. Anyways, headed out. Finna go make some money. Okay. So today's Monday, not my favorite day. Oh, it's never my favorite day. It seems like on Mondays, things don't go right. I'm running late. Sometimes I'm running early. Yeah, how does that happen? But it's been that way for the last 3 years. One thing for sure, I gotta be there. The big show has to be there, because if I'm not there, ain't no show. Simple as that. So anyways, I'm gonna make this video short. I'm on my way to the ice house. Gotta get some ice for the fridge. Got plenty of waters, energy drinks. And then I'm headed to my favorite store. So I'll hit you back up when I'm at my favorite store. See you in a little bit. Bye.